how to limit voice chat to 2 users on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can limit voice chat to 2 users on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to discord.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then head over to your server. Now, first of all, create a voice chat. For that, click on this plus icon and here select voice and then you can name your voice chat. Here I will write in test1, then click on create channel. Once you have created your voice chat, click on the settings icon next to it. After that, you will land on your chat overview, scroll down, and then there is a slider for the user limit. Currently, it is set to no limit. Now, to limit it to 2 users, you have to simply drag it to 2 users. And now this voice chat is limit with 2 users. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.